welcome back to my channel. So right now, mommy is washing the veranda with me, and she just washed it and she put soapy water, and right now I'm sliding, and I think Leo will slip soon. Leo, come.
No, Leo को नहलाना है पहले.
Used to the water now, and I'm just here slipping, sliding, and throwing the water out like this. And I don't know why Mama never uses this. Mama, why don't you use this?
Because this tiles have a space in the middle. No?
Yeah, but still it comes out. But it's fine. I use it, and Mama uses a broom. So right now.
चोट लग गई उसको. लियो लग गई उसको चोट. Come.
Come here. Watch.
Come here. Come. Come here. Come. Come here. Sit down. Sit. 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 Sit.
Right now we're doing one challenge, and Bhaiya has to make me laugh, but no tickling or no touching.
Okay. 3, 2, what?
Chill out.
I said no
First
tickling.
try. हाँ, no tickling भाई. You cheated.
Why does your mouth stink so much?
She's laughing already. Look, I didn't even say anything good. This sucks. You need to hit it on the table.
So guys, right now we're playing table tennis, and I'm going against Bhaiya.
देखते हैं कौन विन होता है.
1-1 is 1-1. First to 5.